saja tidak memasang plat nomor kendaraan karena pajaknya
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Apri Ditya. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang karya ilmiah saya yang berjudul Source of Solar Energy and the Result of the Feasibility Study for the Construction of PLTMH. Ini bagian depan saya, bagian judul Breathing Scientific Paper, Source of Solar Energy and the Result of the Feasibility Study for the Construction of PLTMH. Arranged by name Apritya Karisma, name 20-2001-250, Kelas Electrical Engineering 20B, University Dinas Nusa Putra University 2021. Forward, kata pengantar. Praise and gratitude and I pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because it is thanks to His mercy and grace that I was able to complete a scientific paper entitled Source of Solar Energy and the Result of a Feasibility Study for the Construction of PLTMH. The scientific paper discusses the basic theory related to the design of corn cellar with solar energy source and PLN, electrical energy, the notion of micro hydropower plant, the intent and process of breeding this disease is to design of corn cellar with solar energy and PLN electrical energy and to find out the feasibility of water potential for PLTMH. During the research and reading of this scientific paper, I'm impressed many obstacles, but thanks to the help encouragement and guidance from various parties, finally this scientific work can be completed properly. I think that this scientific work is the best work that I can present, but I realize that it is so possible that there are shortcomings in it. Therefore, the reading expect constructive critics and suggestion. Finally, and hope this can be useful for reading particular and for reader in general. Labuhan Ratu, Juni 2021, Apritya Karisma. Daftar isi table of contents. Ini untuk judul, title pack, forward, kata pengantar, table di daftar isi, chapter in introduction, chapter to discussion, introduction pendahuluan, discussion pembahasan, closing penutup. Untuk introduction ini ada beberapa nih, literature review, research method, research result and discuss. Background problem, untuk yang pembahasan ini background problem formulation, problem limitation, research objectives, benefits of research. Untuk bagian counseling ini ada satu nih, counseling and suggestion, yang terakhir ini referensi. Bagian pertama, chapter 1 introduction. This chapter describes to the background of the problem formulation, problem limitation, research objective, research benefit, and writing systematic. Later review, this chapter describe the research study and theoretical basis related to the design of corn cells with solar energy cores and PLN and electrical energy, understanding of microhydro power plant. Research method. It is chapter describe how to make a corn cellar designed with solar energy source and PLN electrical energy, starting from the supporting material and equipment that must be prepared and the process that must be carried out to complete the research. Result and discussion. This chapter contains the result of research from the design of corn cellar with solar energy corn source and electrical energy. Contain the result, the analysis of research of heat, the power generator, analysis of water catchment area and determine of location and network. Chapter 2 Discussion. Background latar belakang. Electrical energy is energy mass need by human around the world for their daily needs, especially the electronic device, electrical energy, and non-renewable natural resource, PLN energy and electrical energy. Electrical energy is currently running low, so it's necessary to this electrical energy sparing and efficiently. In the world, especially in Indonesia, the government has suggested the people save electricity because the existing energy supply still feel like it continues to be used. Currently, there have been many breakthroughs in renewable power generation. The expert invented a variety of power generation tools, which work by converting an energy into electrical energy. Geographical condition in Indonesia that the sunlight every year on the optical tools in Indonesia is the solar panel. Solar panel work to convert sunlight energy to electrical energy. Solar panels are devices consisting of solar cell, battery, and batteries that convert light into electricity. Solar panel produce indirect or electrical current to use various household appliances that have alternating current of AC. Convert is needed if solar panels are developed in Indonesia, which has advantage of getting sunlight all year round, and in remote area this area difficult to reach by PLN. It is very suitable. Solar panels are also an environmentally friendly alternative energy. If it can be developed into people's homes so that it can save electrical energy, especially in Indonesia. For example, if one unit of solar cell is used electricity during the day, another unit is used to store electrical energy at night. Of course, it will save quite a lot electrical energy. This has inspired the author to develop renewable energy solar panel to create a ground cellar designed with solar energy source and PLN and electrical energy. In a condition, electrical energy has a very important role in effort to improve the quality of life and economic growth in Indonesia. This limited supply of electrical energy is one the obstacle in community development, especially in rural areas in general. Remote rural area located in mountains area have great weather energy potential. The use of PLNTH as an alternative energy that is cost-friendly, user-friendly, environmentally friendly, and material-friendly is expected to be even greater in use as a solution to lack of accessibility of rural community to PLNTH. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background described above, a problem can formulating regarding A. Is the water potential in Staten Village stable for PLNTH? B. What is the capacity of electrical energy that can be used with the existing potential? C. How to design corn cellars with solar energy, cores, and PLN electricity. Scope of problem. Limitation of the problem that the authors do are 1. Designing a corn cellar with solar energy resource and PLN electrical energy. 2. The performance of the corn cellar mechanic depend on the power supply from solar panel and PLN electricity. 3. Measurement of water discharge using the technique of floating object. For measuring the height of the waterfall or held by means of a professional server on site. Research purpose. In line with the problem described above, the objective of the research of A. The set of corn cellar with solar energy and PLN electricity as a source energy. B. Knowing the feasibility of water potential for PLNTH. Benefit result. This research is expected to profit benefit include the following. 1. Provide knowledge to farmer about renewable energy resource, namely solar energy source. 2. Increase the selling price of agricultural product, in this case corn as agricultural product. 3. Adding information related to electrical engineering discipline technique, particularly in the field of electricity generation. Chapter 3. Closing. This content the author about renewable energy source, namely solar energy resource, and the result of a feasibility study for the construction of a PLNTH. The list the number of raw rice field being in regard the remaining potential source of irrigation water are used as energy source if the turbine installation system in the integration canal is made such a way that the turbine driving water can be flowed back into the channel. The efficiency will be greater because in this way the irrigation water can be used more more effectively from an environmental perspective. Microhydro technology can also reduce the rate of greenhouse gas emission that's warming. Global warming is what causes the climate change and is associated impacts such as crop failure, water scarcity, sinking of coastal area, flood, and drought. Microhydro with a capacity of 100 kW kilowatt will indirectly reduce about 560 tons of carbon dioxide gas per year because the plant does not use fossil fuels. Some villages that have used technology include Garut, West Java, Subang, West Java, Tanggamus, Lampung, Malang, East Java, and Banyumas, Central Java. One of the in Wonogiri Regency has a large water energy potential. This condition can be used to develop a microhydro power plant (PLTMH). One of them is in Statron Village, Wonogiri Regency. To supporting the economy in rural area, this rolls electricity is very large. So the right course is to develop microhydro power plant PLTMH judging from the geomorphological and hydrological characteristic in Statron Village, Wonogiri Regency. It has potential for water energy sources that are suitable and appropriate for the development of PLTMH. On this basis, it is necessary to conduct a feasibility study of PLTMH in Wonogiri Regency, precisely in Statron Village, Slogohimo district, where the electricity supply service provided by PLN is still lacking. The study contains a discussion of a planning for a microhydro power plant, starting the measurement and consolidation of the discharge, the height of the waterfall, the consolidation of the output power, the selection the turbine, the selection of the generator formulation of the problem ABC, scope of a problem 1, 2, 3, 4, and result purpose AB, benefit of result 1, 2, 3. Chapter 3 closing. This chapter contains the author consultation about renewable energy source, namely solar energy source, and the result of a feasibility study for the construction of a PLTMH. Reference UMS 2019 October Electrical Energy and Understanding of Microhydro Power Plant. Thank you presentasi by I am and I closing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.